Welcome back. After the Delhi High Court order against Arvind Kejriwal, the BJP has launched a massive anti-corruption protest against the Aam Aadmi Party. In fact, that protest is escalating, and what we are getting to hear is that there is mega ruckus outside the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. These are the visuals that you're getting right now on your screens from outside the Aam Aadmi Party. Reporters have been getting us all the updates wherein the BJP is stepping up pressure on the Delhi Chief Minister, asking him to resign in the wake of the High Court order. I'm going to go straight across now to Anshul for the very latest. Anshul, over to you. Take us through these visuals. Pan your camera. Tell us what exactly is happening.
So yes, I'll just try and show you in the visuals over here and let the visuals speak for themselves. We are approximately 20 meters away from the Aam Aadmi Party office, where there were two layers of barricading that was done over here by the Delhi police, and the first layer of barricading has been brought down. This is the second layer of barricading that you are seeing on your screens right now, and these protesters are now sitting atop those barricades and raising slogans against the Delhi Chief Minister, asking him to resign. In fact, an effigy was also brought over here. That effigy was beaten and broken down by the workers of the Bharatiya Janata Party. So yes, you can imagine that the Bharatiya Janata Party at this point in time is not leaving any stone unturned in putting up more pressure or piling up more pressure on the Aam Aadmi Party so that the Chief Minister could resign. But the Chief Minister has made it clear, and the Aam Aadmi Party has also made it clear, that he is not going to resign. You can see the security arrangements that have been made over here. Right behind this, there are hundreds of police officials who have been deployed over here to make sure that the law and order situation remains under control. And also the Vajravahan, the cannons have also been put over here to make sure that if at all the protesters try and cross over on the other side, they could be taken under control, because at no cost the Delhi police can afford these protesters to reach anywhere close to the Aam Aadmi Party office, because it could actually prove to be a very, very bad law and order situation. You can see hundreds of protesters have already gathered over here. I'll just try and speak to a few of them. Sir, केजरीवाल जी ने रिजाइन करने से मना कर दिया है, कोर्ट ने भी ये कह दिया है कि वो इसमें हस्तक्षेप नहीं कर सकते, तो अब ये किस बात का प्रोटेस्ट है और क्या मांगे हैं आपकी? क्यों इतना उग्र और इतना जोश दिख रहा है आपके कार्यकर्ताओं?
हमारी मांग ये है कि केजरीवाल जब चीफ मिनिस्टर था तो उसने बोला कि भ्रष्टाचारी एक दिन के लिए भी कोई है तो उसको इस्तीफा देना पड़ेगा, चाहे हम हो या मनीष सिसोदिया हो। जब मनीष सिसोदिया भी जेल गया, ये खुद जेल गया, तो अभी तक इस्तीफा उसने क्यों नहीं दे रहा है? उसने खुद बोला कि इस्तीफा देना चाहिए जो भ्रष्ट है, अभी तक इस्तीफा नहीं दे रहा है। तो हम उसी के बात को दोहराते हुए कहते हैं कि आप खुद बोला था कि इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए, तो अभी इस्तीफा देने में क्या प्रॉब्लम है आपको? केजरीवाल चाहता है कि इस्तीफा ना दे और गवर्नर रूल हो जाए और दोबारा हमें चुनाव हो जाए, ताकि हम बोले जनता में कि देखो हमको बंद कर दिया और हम जीतना चाहते हैं। तो केजरीवाल का ही स्ट्रेटेजी है।
I'll just take you inside the protest now. I'll just try and show you that how many people have already gathered over here. I asked my camera person Rahul Malhotra to pan around and show you the amount of people that have gathered over here. Definitely the BJP has been successful in making sure that people collect over here. Hundreds of people have already gathered over here. Several of them are atop these barricades who are standing over here raising slogans against the Bharatiya Janata Party. So definitely the manner in which this protest is going on is definitely something that is becoming a headache for the Aam Aadmi Party. There are women protesters over here. मैम, केजरीवाल जी इस्तीफा नहीं दे रहे हैं। कोर्ट ने भी ये कहा है कि वो इसमें हस्तक्षेप नहीं कर सकता, ऐसा कोई कानून नहीं है। तो आपकी क्या मांगे हैं और कैसे ये सुनिश्चित करेंगे कि वो इस्तीफा दें?
हमारी ये मांग है, क्योंकि दिल्ली का नाश सत्यानाश इसने कर चुका जितना इसको करना था, लेकिन ये दिल्ली की जनता है, दिल्ली की जनता जो चाहेगी वही होगा, और केजरीवाल को इस्तीफा देना ही देना है, क्योंकि इसने दिल्ली की नगरी को, जो देश की राजधानी थी, कहते हैं कि दिल होता है राजधानी, और जो हमारे उसकी भारत की राजधानी है दिल्ली, वो एक दिल है, लेकिन इसने हमारे दिल में इतनी बीमारियां पैदा करी कि शराब एक के साथ एक फ्री। और रही बात, इसने 60 साल की पेंशन, वृद्ध पेंशन बंद करे हुए हैं, ये दिल्ली का बेटा कहाँ से हो गया?
Definitely there is a lot of anger that can be sensed among the workers. It remains to be seen how will the Delhi police now manage the crowd over here that has gathered, because at this point in time definitely there is a lot of action that is happening over here. over the next few days, it is going to be very, very interesting to see how will the BJP build more pressure on the
Right.
Aam Aadmi Party.
Absolutely,
And how
Anshul.
will the Aam Aadmi Party finally come out and defend itself.
Anshul, thanks so much. You've been getting us all the updates from outside the Aam Aadmi Party and other areas where the BJP is holding their protest. They are demanding the resignation of Arvind Kejriwal, something that they have done before, but now building more pressure after the Delhi High Court order. Quick